coaching, tuition, and school homework all together. Reducing or banning homework should reduce stress and make students happier.
Homework can help with practice and discipline and memory, but it can also create stress, inequality, and reduce personal time. So best solution is balance. Give homework that supports learning without burdening students. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to another debate with two talented participants. Today they are going to debate on homework should be banned or not. So Afifah is in the favor of banning homework while Ammar is against this concept. So let's see who dominates this debate today. So let's start from Afifah.
I believe homework should be banned. Students already study for 6 to 7 hours in school. After that, they need rest, playtime, and family time. Too much homework creates stress.
But homework helps students to practice what they learn in class. Without homework, students may forget the concepts easily.
That is true, but homework awaits children's personal time. Children should be focused on their hobbies like reading, sports, and creativity, etc. These things also help in learning.
But homework builds discipline. It teaches students to manage time and take responsibility. These are important life skills.
Still, many students get so much homework that they sleep late at night that affect their health, and school should be focused on smart learning, not heavy homeworks.
But not all homeworks are heavy. Sometimes teachers give small assignment like worksheet and revise that take a few minutes to remember better.
Another problem is inequality. Some students have educated parents to guide them at home, but some don't. This makes homework unfair.
Instead of banning homework, teachers can give meaningful homework that encourage thinking, not just copying.
Even then, students have coaching, tuition, and school homework all together. Reducing or banning homework should reduce stress and make students happier.
But completely banning homework...
Okay, let me conclude the debate. Both sides have strong points. Homework increases practice and discipline, but too much homework causes stress.
Yeah.
So instead of banning it completely, schools should give limited and meaningful homework that helps students learn without feeling pressure.
Yeah.
So Ammar and Afifah, that was an incredible debate. We learned that homework can help with practice and discipline and memory, but it can also create stress, inequality, and reduce personal time. So best solution is balance. Give homework that supports learning without burdening students.
But completely banning homework...
Okay, let me conclude.
Sagar bhaiya, I didn't finish. You are doing like Afifah.
Both sides have strong points. Homework increases practice, discipline. So Ammar and Afifah, thank you once again for joining this outstanding debate. So let me talk to my viewers. Which one you are in favor of? Let me know in the comments. And if you find this video fruitful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, follow me for more. See you
in
in
the
the
next
next video.
video.